Hello everyone, join me as I showcase a clip of how my day goes working on site as a product designer at DDM. DDM is a company that has a lot of branches ranging from the media to the tech hub and much more. So here I am waiting for the Monday stand-up meeting that we always have, and we are here, we are still waiting for everyone to join, and everyone is joining little by little, and we are just all gathering waiting for you to officially start. So here we are still trying to arrange our chairs. Everyone is coming in little by little, as you can see. And we are getting to settle down, and boom, we are all settled, and the meeting started exactly at 8 o'clock, and we are here talking, briefing about the company and what we have to offer for the week, our tasks for the week, and all of that, much more. Man, can you just see my team members all looking good? So this is after the meeting, and it was just a 1 hour meeting, and we are all heading to our various workstations to get our work done. So this is me going downstairs right now. So I'm just going downstairs to the tech hub where my team actually is. So the upstairs is that of the media section, and the downstairs here I am with our senior developer. I cannot cap for this guy. He was just showcasing to me the project that we are working on and the code format and a lot more. It was actually a brief discussion, and after that I head over to our team lead, our tech lead. This is the CTO. So we just had a brief discussion. I just had to capture him to show you guys my team lead, and he is the brain behind Tech Hub. Just leave it like that to another day. So here is one of our students. I forgot to mention, we have an academy at DDM. DDM has an academy section where we actually tutor students to be techies, like graphic design. This is a graphic design student, and she's actually learning a lot. I just came to capture a clip of what she did. This is the academy where they do stay, and we have desktops and a lot for them in place for them to do their thing. And let me wow you, this is a clip of what my designers have been up to. I mean, product designers at DDM, the ones I'm tutoring. Imagine a designer in less than 3 weeks was able to come up with this login screen. Like, it was wow. And also this landing page in just 3 weeks at DDM. You can grab that. And this is a list of the surveys question you are able to draft, because they were able to impute all this in the Google form where they were able to use it to carry out research. This is me checking all of this out. I was just busy checking out a project that I'm currently working on and still assessing the works of my students. This is me checking out the project I'm working on, and I was just checking it out, you know. Apart from that, I was also checking out my student works at DDM. So I actually tutor students at DDM on product design, that is UI UX design. This is some of their works. They have to be able to draft out user personals, carry out research with the use of Google Form. This is some of their responses, and was able to also do a lot more user flow, information architecture. This is also a personal from a student, and this is really, really encouraging. In just few weeks, apart from UI UX at DDM, you also tutor students on front-end development, back-end development, AI and machine learning, graphic design, digital marketing, and a lot more. This is one of my students' work, like really amazing. This one is so properly arranged. She properly arranged her work, from replicating of designs of hero pages to login screens. This is actually the responses gotten. Like, this is really amazing. She properly aligned and arranged everything. This is the mood board. Her mood boards of inspiration she have already gotten ahead of the project that she's working on, and this is really, really amazing. We are really trying to tutor students to be the best at whatever they learn here. So I'm so encouraged of my students' work, and that's why I decided to showcase it so that you guys can see it. And if you want to be part of the next cohort, it's starting on the 7th of May. So that is all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow my pages. See you guys on my next video, where I show you quite a few tips and how I work, or a day in my life working remotely. Bye. See you guys.